Time now is 5:22. Dallas is now reporting its first case of West Nile. Yeah, I've got the hiccups. Of West Nile virus in mosquitoes this summer. Crews will be out tonight at 10 to spray between LBJ Freeway, Dallas North Tollway, Wood Road, Forest Lane, and Crestline Road. Let me just pause here. The crews should be done. See, it didn't work. The crews should be done in about 5 hours. This should be fun. West Nile spraying will also take place tonight in Grand Prairie after a mosquito tested positive there. There's nothing funny about that, because that mosquito did test positive for West Nile. The area is being sprayed by Josephine Lane, South Gilbert Road, Beltline Road, and East Trinity.
That just does not get old, Brendan. A different kind of summer camp is going.